the child in the way of the Lord. God Himself also testified of Abraham. In the book of Genesis 18 verse 19, God said, "We have confidence that Abraham will command his own children and household after him, because they will keep the way of the Lord." The greatest legacy that any parent can give to his children is to train them in the way of the Lord. How can I train my child in the way of the Lord? Number one, you must lead them to answer the call of salvation. And I ensure that they all establish intimate relationship with Jesus. Because we parents, church attendant is not the same thing as true repentance. For somebody to be born again, your soul must be reunited with the Spirit of God. They grow in the Lord. They grow. It's one thing to be born again. Your responsibility does not end there. Make sure they grow. Teach them how to study the Bible. Teach them how to read the Bible. Teach them how to live by the Bible. Unfortunately, a lot of parents, they carry the Bible when they don't know what the Bible carries. The Bible carries power. It carries God Himself. Because the word of God is God Himself. It's God. Many people carry the Bible when they don't know what the Bible carries. Our sister who was leading the church, the parent, the teacher, the coordinator for the children, he said he wanted to give a test to the parent. You know, I wanted to try sometimes in our former parish, because most of the things that the children know, their parents, they don't even know in the Bible. There are so many parents who cannot quote 5 scriptures in the Bible. How will they train the children in the way of the Lord? You cannot give what you don't have. You can't give what you don't have. That is not pleasant or godly. You need to raise an hand immediately. Because if anything go wrong with these children, God will ask us. God will ask us. Because it is our responsibility. I had a testimony of a man. This is saying the Almighty God will help us in Jesus' name. Train them to live a life of sanctification, righteousness, and holiness. Today is what is happening in Nigeria. Everybody wants to become rich, even teenagers. Teenagers without struggle, they are looking for quick way of becoming multi-millionaire. We have had testimony, we have seen many things happen in Nigeria today, where teenagers are killing people because they want to become rich. Look at the situation of Yahoo everywhere. You'll be wondering what is teenager looking for. Somebody at the age of 15, at the age of 60, so desperate to become a millionaire without struggle. That's right. It's because they have not been properly trained. You know, some of them also come to church. Many things are happening. Our daddy told us this morning of the teenager and all this sleeping. The children to serve God. Make sure your children are also serving God. They are serving God. Make sure every one of them, as they are growing old, let them be actively involved in the service of God. Because that is where the blessing lies. Child, children, evangelists. Children, evangelists. Children, evangelists. If you see people in the church now, the number of children are even more than the other. And we give God all the glory. We give God all the glory. Even at the regional headquarters today, the number of children are even more than the other. And it's always good to catch them young. To catch them young. Make sure as they are growing, you lead them to Christ. There are so many parents today that you have told of testimony or some children who brought their parents to the thing today. So every one of us will have a responsibility towards children's evangelism. We also have a responsibility to make sure that the children's church is developed. I bless God when we first came, that day I'm moving to Coast around.